Hello. Marshalltown High School Library has a new service just for you called Click and Collect. Find a book in Destiny Library catalog, place the book on hold, and we'll email you when your order is ready to pick up from the library. To use Click and Collect, you'll need to sign in to Destiny Library catalog from the library's website. Check to make sure you're signed in the top right corner and then browse for a book or select one from the ribbon below. Once you've selected a book, you'll see a blue hold button that you can click on to request the book. Ignore that blue pop-up at the bottom of the page. If you've changed your mind and you no longer want a book, you can unhold it as long as we haven't made the book ready for you. Go to Holds, click on the title, and click Unhold. Books are held in the library for you for 7 to 10 days, and after that time, they'll be returned to the shelves for someone else to check out. Be sure to check your email, and if you've got questions, ask in the library.